Our country was founded on values of love, mutual respect, and communal harmony. India represents the practical example of peaceful coexistence of various castes and religions. Organizations with Hindutva ideology have always rejected the concept of a secular India. RSS never participated in the freedom struggle and always propagated its divisive agenda. Muslims, Christians, Dalits, and communists have always been their prime target. Since the BJP came to power in 2014, the RSS goons have unleashed an evil campaign of hatred in the country. The prime target, as always, were Muslims. Issues like love jihad, Gar Wapsi and Gau Hatya are being racked up to the target, the Muslims. The country has also seen a rise in the attacks on Dalits. These attacks are a reflection of the casteist ideology taught by RSS to its cadres through its daily shakas. The BJP government has also targeted progressive groups who raise their voice against the RSS agenda. It is our responsibility to protect the culture of love, respect, and harmony. Popular Front has launched a national level campaign, Stop Politics of Hate, to confront the divisive agenda of RSS. The movement will demand the government to change its policy of appeasing RSS and abide by the secular tradition of our country. Join Popular Front in this mission and let's struggle to defeat the forces that propagate hate. Let's strive to stop the politics of hate.